Stihl. I've missed you. So happy to be back finally. Today the weather is horrible. I don't know if you can hear the wind and rain. It's pretty insane. So I decided to just stay at home and do some work on my shop and also unbox this beauty. Yay! So yeah, I'm really excited about this. As many of you know, this is one of my favorite saws. When I posted a picture of the box, a lot of you questioned why I was getting another 500i, because I've been posting a lot of pictures with the lovely machine early on. But that saw belonged to my old company, and now I am flying solo. I've got my own company, and then of course I needed my own chainsaw. So this is my first very own 500i, and I'm really excited about it, and I cannot wait to try it out and just shower it with love. So let's open the box and find the beauty inside. Ooh. Tools. And I've got a chain in here. So I'll be running my saw with a 20-inch bar, and that's also what it says on the chain, so that's pretty lucky. But yeah, I really like to run a 20-inch bar on my 500i because it gives it a nice power and just makes it a pure beast. So she will be running a 20-inch bar, and sometimes I'll change that up for a 25-inch because that works pretty awesome on it too. So yeah. And now the main event. Ooh, don't be stuck. Ah, there she is. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? Ooh. So just, and of course the manual as well. Not that you read it, but I actually like to look it through. So yeah, box down. Look at this beauty. So as I mentioned, yes, I've run this saw for about almost 3 years now. So I know what it's about. I know what she can do, and I love this saw. So I'm just beyond excited about having my own. And yeah, let's make her even more beautiful by applying bar and chain. Can't believe how clean it is. Look at that. So pretty. So as I mentioned, I like to run a 20-inch bar on my 500i because it just gives her a lot of nice power. And I do like them light bars. So there we go. A bit of untangling with the chain here. Ooh, don't fly away. All right. There she is. Looking so good. So as you can see, I'm not quite dressed for chainsaws right now, but I'll be changing up and let's see how she sounds. So Triple, that's actually all I have for today. I just wanted to unbox this beauty and get her ready, set on the shelf with the other sauce. And yeah, happy to be back, and I promise I will be making more videos now. Remember to subscribe, and also you can find me on Instagram at Femalelumberjack. See you soon!